everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about sociology subject in that chapter 3, that is the family. Okay, in that subtopic we are discussed functions of family. Okay, this is the 22 part regarding sociology. Okay, in this first what are the functions is there from the marriage. Okay, in that first function is the regulates the sex life. Okay, for example, one woman will be participating with the only one man. Okay, or one man will be participating with the only one woman. Okay, this type of sexual relationship will be regulated by the marriage only. Okay, once they are marrying means they are participate. Okay, freely, or once they are not married means they are having some problems. Okay, next in this sexual relationship of a individual. Okay, through the marriage. Okay, by the marriage the woman or the man, they are improves or they are maintained sexual relationship with the each individual. Okay, next after marriage, okay, the marriage only will give some term, that is they are couple. Okay, without marriage they are not called as a couple. Okay, once the opposite sex persons marriage by the marriage ceremony means they calling as one couple. Okay, in this after calling, these are the couples, they are eligible for procreation, like reproduction of a children. Okay, after that they are eligible for a one family or one group. Okay, without marriage, without sexual relationship, they are not eligible for the procreation. Okay, this is the one function. Next another one is the after marriage only the man and woman opposite persons, they are cooperating economical background. Okay, now they are sharing their income. Okay, they are sharing their income and economical support and economical cooperation is there in between the two persons. Okay, without marriage they are not sharing any economical or any income. Okay, after marriage only the women and men sharing their money. Okay, next one is the after marriage the woman and men, okay, opposite sex persons. Before marriage there is no relationship, there is no communication. Okay, after marriage they are exchanging good love and affection each other. Okay, one bonding relationship, that is the marriage. After marriage they are sharing full love and affection each other. Okay, he is my husband, she is my wife. Okay, like that they are maintaining good love and affection in between the wife and husband after marriage. Okay, before marriage there is no love and affection, there is no relationship. Okay, there is no any involvement. Okay, through the marriage only this type of functions is there. Okay, next another one is the after marriage or through the marriage the intellectual cooperation is there in between the wife and husband. Okay, for example, the husband having so much of skills or intellectual power. Okay, the power will be sharing or giving some type of coaching to their wife. Why? Because they become a wife and husband, they become a couple. Okay, that's why the intellectual cooperation also there in between the wife and husband by the marriage. Okay, next minimize the social distance in between the groups. Okay, so many groups is there in the society means. Okay, in that the social relationship, the social distance should be minimized in between the wife and husband. Okay, these are the functions we are identified in the marriage. Okay, next Hindu marriage system. Okay, in this Hindu marriage what happens means some of the types is there in the Hindu marriages. Okay, here what are the types means? First one is the Brahma Vivah. Okay, Brahma Vivah. Next Ashur Vivah. Another one is the Rakshasa Vivah. Okay, next one is the Gandharva Vivah. Another one is the Prajapatya Vivah. Another one is the Arsha Vivah. Another one is the Daiva Vivah. Okay, these are the types is there in the Hindu marriage. Okay, what is mean by Brahma Vivaha? Okay, what is mean by Brahma Vivaha? In this, the father marries his daughter to learn good character. Okay, as a father or as a mother and father, their daughter will provide. Okay, as a father, he wants to celebrate his daughter marriage. Okay, that is their responsibility of the father. Okay, as a father in the society or in the family, if the father have daughter, okay, he has to conduct the one marriage to their daughter. Okay, it is a good character of a father. Okay, or good responsibility. His rule, his responsibility for the father. As a father, he has to fulfill this marriage ceremony of a daughter. Okay, this type of marriage we are called as the Brahma Vivaha. Okay, second one is the Ashura Vivaha. Okay, in this Ashura Vivaha, what happens means paying some bride price. Okay, na? In the father having some amount or some money, he wants to paying some prices to their daughter. Okay, next one is the Rakshasa Vivaha. Okay, that is the Rakshasa Vivaha. In that what happens means abduction without consent of a girl's or her parents. Okay, there is no information. Okay, for example, one man marries one woman means there is no information for the girl or her parents. Okay, by the Rakshasatvam, the person will marry the girl. Okay, there is no any consent or there is no any information before going to marriage. Okay, he is conducted the marriage by the harassment. Okay, this type of marriage, Rakshasa marriage. Okay, there is no information, there is no pre-planning before the marriage. Okay, for the girl or their parents. Okay, next one is the Gandharva Vivaha. Okay, in this Gandharva Vivaha, what happens means based upon the mutual love. Okay, in between the girl and boy, okay, they are maintaining one mutual love and affection. Okay, they wants to marry. Okay, depending upon the love and affection, they are become a good partners. Okay, this type of marriage is Gandharva Vivaha. Okay, another one is the Prajapatya Vivaha. Okay, in this Prajapatya Vivaha, what happens means there is no ceremonies for marriages. Okay, there is no conduction of marriage ceremony, but groom is there. Okay, one groom is there for marrying women. Okay, next this type of marriages Prajapatya Vivaha. Okay, another one is the Arsha Vivaha. Okay, in this Arsha Vivaha, what happens means groom gives a pair of cattle. Okay, the groom gives a pair of cattle like animals. Okay, now next one is the Daiva Vivaha. Okay, this Daiva Vivaha, what happens means one girl is given instead of a dakshina or the gift. Okay, in olden days one Guru Dakshina is there, no? Okay, depending upon the Guru Dakshina, the girl child will gives to the as like marriage of men's. Okay, if the girls is there, the girl is give for as like gift. Okay, the girl is gift for the marriage. Okay, as like Dakshina. Okay, this type of marriage is Daiva Vivaha. Okay, these are the types of or functions of marriage. Okay, this is the functions. Sexual relationship improves, best couple, and economical cooperation, love and affection, intellectual cooperation. Next, social distance. Okay, these are the functions. Next, marriages: Brahma Vivah, Ashur Vivah, Rakshasa Vivah, Gandharva Vivah, Prajapatya Vivah, Harsha Vivah, Daiva Vivah. Okay, these are the types of Hindu marriage. Okay, thank you everyone.